the clatter of typewriter keys to the quiet tap of a keyboard, the way we write has transformed. The typewriter made words permanent, each stroke a commitment. Electric models sped things up, hinting at a digital future. Then computers arrived. The keyboard carried QWERTY forward, but text itself became fluid, editable, shareable, global. Letters turned into emails, memos into instant messages, and emojis gave words new emotion. Today, keyboards live on our screens, with predictive text and voice-to-type reshaping communication. From ink on paper to pixels on glass, the evolution of text reflects our endless drive to connect.